Today we're making a Vietnamese lemongrass chicken. This is super easy to make, perfect over rice, and one of my favorite dishes for a weekday dinner. Okay, let's go! The most important ingredient would obviously be lemongrass. I'm using 2 stalks here. Remove the hard outer layer and this tough bottom root thingy. Finely chop this, or do what I do and throw them in the food processor. Next, I'm going to be using 1 onion. Just quart this and add the onions to the same food processor. To that, we're also adding a garlic, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Now you can use palm sugar or just regular white sugar as well if you don't have any of those two. And finally, a couple dashes of white pepper. Now this is completely optional, okay, but I'm also going to be adding 1 Thai bullseye chilies just to add a little bit of spice. And then blitz all of that together and ta-da, we have our chicken marinade. I'm using chicken thigh cut into bite-sized pieces. You can use this or pretty much any part of the chicken that you like. Pour the marinade over and mix that through. Give the chicken a nice little massage spa time. And then we're going to leave that to marinate for about 10 minutes minimum. Overnight would be great, but I'm just not a planner like that. Meanwhile, let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. I have 1 red chili here, just sliced up like this to add some color to the dish. This is not a spicy red chili at all, trust me, it's just in this dish for some color. I also have some cilantro here for garnishing, and finally, juice from 1 lime. Okay, and now we're ready to cook. In a pan, get some oil in, and then once it's hot, we're pan frying the marinated lemongrass chicken. Skin down first if you're using a chicken thigh like I am. So this isn't actually a stir-fried dish. Usually this is served grilled in Vietnam, but I don't think most of us at home have grill access or, be bothered to set up one. But if you do, most definitely you should try this grilled. If you're grilling this, then marinate it for at least 2 hours. That's to let the marinade really soak into the chicken, okay? Anyway, we're just going to let the chicken cook like this for a while and then turn it over once it's cooked on one side and just let the chicken cook through. You want to get this really nice brown searing like this. Meanwhile, remember the marinade bowl. Add some water to that and swish some water around because we are not wasting that sauce. Once you've flipped over the chicken and let the other side sear, pour in the excess marinade from the bowl. We're going to be creating a yummy gravy for the chicken. Next, add in the chopped red chilies and give it a quick stir fry. Now, your chicken should be done cooking by now. How do you know? Stick a fork through. It should go through easily. But anyway, yeah, stir fry the chicken and just let it finish cooking. Next, I'm going to be adding in the cilantro. Stir that in and turn the heat off. With the heat off, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of the lime juice and stir that in. You can also just slice up the lime wedges and leave it at the side, but I like to just add it straight to the dish. And done! Serve this over rice, and this is so good, fuss-free, done and dusted in 30 minutes or less. So try this, okay? Bye!